Hello everyone, I thought I'd introduce myself. My name's Mick. You've probably seen me riding and being silly on my bike. I'm not being silly, but just my age really. I just don't do things as good as I used to do when I was 17, 18 years old, etc. So this is my first big bike for a while. So I'm just getting used to it, etc. So I'm not going to go crazy and silly, just a normal ride. I'm down at Aintree at the moment, down by the water, and just enjoying it. So yeah, I've got a new bike. Can't do that with flat anyway. You know what I mean? But yeah. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it, and I'll just punch a load of vids out for you so you can have a look at all the vids and stuff and just have a laugh with me as I go along. So cheers, if you're subscribing, subscribers thank you, patrons thank you, a big shout out to Del Boy, who helped me get this bike, Patreon. Thank you, cheers everybody, and now for riding. Yeah.
Right, in Ainsford, setting off now. Do a quick 10-minute ride, just going back up towards Swanley. Got my phone mount on now, it's my phone, it's cool. Right, let's set off going, shall we? I'll put my visor down so you can hear me properly, hopefully. It was it was funny the other day when I was first night time going out. I rode the bike about 2 or 3 days, and I decided, I'll just take it up the little slip road on the bypass and give it some waddy up there. See, get used to the waddiness, if you know what I mean. 20 odd miles an hour going down the corner at the bottom, and when I got up to entrances, exit to the slip, the bike was doing 104, so it was only a quick 5 second burst, 5-6 seconds, but anyway I posted it for you to have a look at. And when I got to the top, I decided, I'll just slip the clutch and see if I can get that front wheel up. And of course, me being 61 and weak armed, etc., slipped the clutch at about 20 miles an hour in second gear. It came up and went, and let it go straight back down again, thinking, ooh, what's this? I didn't think I'd come up that fast. So my weak arms, I went down like that, and I hit my knackers on the front of this here, and yes, I was feeling sick for about 2 or 3 minutes afterwards. But hey ho, you then, won't do that anymore. What I'm going to do is I'll try to do some wheelies in second, in respect of being second gear about 20 odd miles an hour, take the throttle off, let the forks dampen down again, and then as soon as they're coming to be round back up, I'll try doing a wheelie that way. That's the only way I'm going to do it. I can't do clutch bombs. I'm 61 years old now, you know what I mean? I'm not young anymore. Right, time to concentrate on my riding. Oh, that was a big hole. Getting used to that now, really loving the agility of it, etc. Or what it can offer you. But I ain't going to do all silly, because if I fall off, my old bones are not going to like it. Yeah, that one I was shot at night time. I had a good 10-minute, 15-minute video, and the mic wasn't put in proper, I don't think, because it was going. I've got a different mic shield, mic fluffy like cattail on it at the moment in my helmet. A different one. Let's see if that helps. As soon as that back wheel starts to grip, you know, a bit of throttle, you can feel the, you know, the torque on the back wheel and it's gripping. cruise control, you know. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? See what the power does in fifth going that power on. Yeah, bloody bug on me. Right, screen. Get off. Well, squash that bug. Yeah, so you can just ask for some, which is good. Just learning different things about it, about the bike, etc. Trying to find out. There's no point giving it well in third gear or something, getting to fourth or fifth, and it's got loads of torque. It's got useless cornering ability as well. It's more speed. So I know what I've got. Get that plug off my screen. Managed to put my Optimate charger lead under the seat, the front seat. So wide it to the back of the seat, so that's all sorted. And I got my mount. My back brake works quite fine, it's just that my foot has to travel quite a way to get to it. I'm going to have to adjust it. You can feel it biting, but I've got to press too much down on it, if you know what I mean. So yes, really enjoying it, like I said. Thanks to Delbo, one of my patrons. He's lending me a bit of money so I can get this one. Okay, I'm fine. So shout out Delboy, you're a cool dude. Bad. I'm normally sat at the front, so I can sit at the back of the seat. And it's 68 miles an hour, not a lot of wind turbulence. So I'll be fine cruising. And with the heated grips, I'll be happy. Yeah, very happy. I'm going to get back now before it starts peeing down again. Yeah, if I'm going silly speeds, I'll be like this behind my screen. Yeah, I do silly speeds, I mean quick little blips, you know. Right, so it's 70 miles an hour according to the gauge. 70 miles an hour, 4,300 RPM. That's 72 miles per gallon. That'll be cool. Nice NC750 there, going the other way. I didn't wave to him, I wasn't watching, I was just me slack, doing my own thing. Right, I hope you like the video. I'm coming off in a minute, so get back before it starts to rain. They said it's going to rain this afternoon. Had a nice ride out. All the back roads towards Ainsford. I'll have to shoot that one another day. Yeah. So yeah, please subscribe. Leave any comments you want. I'll answer them. But please subscribe as we grow. And thank you for watching. Thumbs up to everybody, and everybody stay safe in these unprecedented times. Look after your elderly ones, that's what you got to think of. If you're young, you got to think of taking anything back to your elders that you don't want to do. Love them to bits. I know you all love them to bits, so just be careful and think before you do certain things. Right, thank you for watching, and tatty bye. You can go off to it.